Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit the purple colors in the Lightroom app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Lightroom app. And here in the Lightroom app it usually opens up in the gallery. And from the gallery we have to select the picture that we want to edit. Let's say it's this one. Here, after the picture loads, from the bottom bar we have to select color. And here in color, in the top right corner, there is mix. We tap on mix, find the little purple circle, and here we actually have multiple options. Here we can edit the hue of the purples, how bluish, if we move it to the left, or how close to magenta they are. Then we can edit the saturation of the purples, how deep or how shallow the purples are, how close to the gray they are, and then we can edit the luminance of them, how dark or how light the purples are. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.